Reynolds Lake Oconee, fabulous main lake views, 220 feet of shoreline, located on the Richland Creek side of the lake near the Creek Club. You are minutes by boat to the Ritz, Lake Club Marina, and Lake Club. Every detail has been covered in the highest quality, whole house renovation and expansion. This 5,000 square foot home, with 4 lakeview bedrooms, bunkroom and 5 half baths is adaptable to many types of living arrangements and designed for casual lake living. The first view when entering the home is straight through to the main lake. Step in and enjoy the open living, dining and kitchen area. Off the living area is the perfect flex space, den, office, playroom, etc. The kitchen and pantry remodel includes custom cabinetry, Taj Mahal quartzite countertops, stainless GE Monogram appliances, dual fuel range, gas range top and electric oven, electric wall oven, dishwasher and built-in counter depth side-by-side refrigerator. The pantry features floor-to-ceiling wall cabinets and 2 base cabinets. The main level suite includes a bath retreat with travertine floors, custom wall-hung sink/wall mounted faucets, heated towel bars, and a curbless ceramic tile shower. The slipper tub with Kohler Purist Bath Filler offers a private panoramic view of the lake. The large, main level laundry room even has lake views. A half bath completes the main level. The third level bedroom with ensuite has water views from 2 sides and a built-in daybed/sofa. The terrace level features a gathering room with kitchenette, a second laundry room, 2 lakefront bedrooms and a bunkroom. The primary terrace level bedroom ensuite features a double vanity and a large curbless shower. The other lakefront bedroom features an ensuite and a built-in shiplap wall with sconce lighting and wall-mounted nightstands. The bunkroom and ensuite features custom built-in bunk beds with reading lights and a built-in daybed.